Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Vivo V29 and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around 1,60,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have a 12 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage. Also, the color I have is the blue color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, which is a good thing. Also, you can see we have a circle on the front. Also, we have a new look for the box, and without any wasting time, and now let's quickly unbox the Vivo V29. And now let's quickly remove the plastic. And now let's open this box, and on the side it says Vivo V29. So on the top we are getting our device Vivo V29 in the blue color. So now let's start the phone from this plastic. As you can see here is the blue color looks like, which more like a light gray in my opinion. The back is made up of glass. Also we have a plastic frame of this phone. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. This phone has a curved display. Also we have a screen protector which is already installed on the front. Now let's see what else we get, and then the phone. And the first thing, we are getting a case which is a soft silicone case. Also we have a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, and here is our charger. And guys, we have a 80-watt Vivo flash charge with this phone, which is a really good thing. Also we have our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable, which is a nice thing. Also we have a SIM injection tool inside the box. I don't see any headphone jack adapter or a hand-free, which is a disappointing thing I would say, because this phone is costing around 1,60,000 PKR. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have our USB type C, main microphone and a speaker grill. Also here is the SIM tray, and now look at the SIM tray on this phone. See, we don't have any micro SD card support, so you can use only two SIMs at the same time. Also we have a rubber gasket. Also on this side we have absolutely nothing. On the top we have a noise cancellation microphone, and on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button. This phone has an in-display fingerprint scanner. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 50 megapixel OIS main camera, f1.9 aperture. Also we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. Also we have a ring LED flash, and the back of this phone is made up of glass. And this phone also has a IP68 water and dust resistance. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, which can produce up to 1 billion colors. Also we have 120Hz refresh rate. On the top we have a center punch hole, also you can see, and this is a curved display which looks and feel absolutely incredible. And the bottom chinit is also really small on this phone. And now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Vivo V29. And guys, in the first impression about the display, this phone has a AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the display also looks really bright. And now let's see the notification panel. We also have NFC on this phone. And let me go to the settings. Now let's go to the display. As you can see, we have 120Hz refresh rate. On default it is on auto. Now let's go 120Hz all the time. And now let's go back, and now let's go to the about phone. And this phone is running on Android 13 with the FunTouch OS version 13, and this phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G SoC, which is a really good SoC I would say. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 231 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the display, as you can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. And also look at the camera. Again, this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel f1.9 aperture with OIS main camera. So here's the main camera looks like. As you can see, here is 8 megapixel ultra wide. Ultra wide is not really good I would say, especially in this lighting condition. And here is the portrait mode. We also have a 2x mode. Here is the night mode. And now let's see video recording size with the back camera. The back camera maximum shoot 4K at 30 fps. And we also have a night mode, which is a super night video. And here is the video stabilization, and right there, here is the bokeh video mode, which give you a background blur in the video. Mode section, we also have a high resolution mode, and here is our slow motion maximum. We have a 240 fps I believe. In the mode section, we also have a dual view video mode, And now look at the front facing camera, and this phone has a 50 megapixel with autofocus selfie camera. So you can see in the selfie camera it looks absolutely nice. I would say one of the best in this price range. And here is our portrait mode, here is our night mode. Let's see video recording size, and the front camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. Also you can see on the front we also have this little wide option in which you will get a more area for recording, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 4600 mAh battery size with 80 watt super fast charging, and this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on light use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V29. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.